This is Realme Narzo 50, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Drive application. Well, usually you get it pre-installed with the system itself, but if that's not true in your particular case, just download this app from the Google Play Store. So, as I was saying, launch the Drive app, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. And right now, let me quickly reload my app. So while on it, you will need to tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, then go for the scan option, grant Drive app the camera access and camera permission, then take a good photo of the document that you wanted to scan. Here is mine. So take a picture of it. Then see the result. If you're satisfied with it, you can proceed. If not, you can redo the photo. At the following interface, you can change the color scheme of your future file, rotate it, or perhaps crop it a little. So in my case, I've shot a little more than I wanted to include into the final document, so I will crop off trim off the extra edges by this little framing tool and maybe align my document a little better. Then hit the save button. In here you can rename the file if you want to and change the path that it will be saved to as well. Then hit the save button to your top right, wait for the file to get uploaded to the Google Drive, and here is the result. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.